He thought he was having a normal day with his girl until this guy on a skateboard showed up. This guy on the scooter is just chilling, right? Then a random dude rolls up and starts handing out plushies. The girl is clearly into it, but then the skateboarder reveals his big red sport bike. He hands her a matching pink helmet and asks her to come with him. Wait for it, the scooter guy's reaction is everything. If you think this is wild, don't forget to hit that follow button. And just like that, she hops off the scooter and onto the back of the sport bike. They ride off into the sunset, leaving the first guy standing there with nothing but a confused look on his face. He didn't even see it coming.